Top picks for stand mixers in 2023. Baking made easy. Hello everyone. So today we've broken down the top 5 products in the business, so it will be quite easy for you to pick out the correct option. If you enjoy this video, a sub to the channel would be fabulous. Make sure to check the description below for more information and the latest pricing. Best overall, KitchenAid KSM150PSCU. The KitchenAid KSM150PSCU Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer with pouring shield and contour is a remarkable appliance designed to elevate your culinary experience. With its sleek and sophisticated contour finish, this stand mixer adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. Equipped with a powerful 325-watt motor, this stand mixer ensures efficient and consistent performance for various tasks. The 5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl provides ample space for preparing large batches of dough, batter, or other ingredients. The included pouring shield helps prevent splatters and messes while adding ingredients, allowing for a clean and hassle-free mixing process. The Artisan Series stand mixer offers 10 speed options, giving you precise control over your mixing, kneading, and whipping. Its unique planetary mixing action ensures thorough and even blending of ingredients, resulting in consistently excellent results. Additionally, the KitchenAid Artisan Series stand mixer is compatible with a wide range of optional attachments, further expanding its versatility. From pasta makers to food processors, you can transform this stand mixer into a multifunctional kitchen companion. Experience the ultimate convenience, durability, and performance with the KitchenAid KSM150PSCU Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer with pouring shield and contour, a must-have appliance for every aspiring and professional chef. Best budget, Hamilton Beach. The Hamilton Beach 7-speed stand mixer has a 4-quart capacity and is a great option for amateur bakers who want to break bread but not the bank. It's less souped up than the one in Blair's kitchen, but a convenient tilt-up design and 4 different dishwasher-safe attachments mean you get the most bang for your buck. Weighing only 9 pounds, the Hamilton Beach mixer is surprisingly portable, so you can tuck it away in a cabinet, which is great if you're working with limited counter space. This model does an impressive job of mixing even the thickest dough, thanks to its 300-watt motor and complete bowl coverage. Other handy features include an easy-to-grip handle and the tilt-up design that makes it easy to switch attachments. However, this stainless steel mixer's thoughtful design makes up for the fewer speed settings with a tilt-up head, 300-watt motor, a handle on top for easy lifting, and suction cups on the bottom to hold it in place. But wait, there's more. The Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer comes with a splash guard, dough hook, whisk, and flat beater, so you can whip endless egg whites and bake batch after batch of brownies without breaking a sweat. Best large capacity, Cuisinart SM50. When it comes to ease of usage altogether, the Cuisinart Precision Master SM50 trumps the KitchenAid. There's a simple switch to tilt the head and to select a speed setting, a smooth turning dial marked with large numbers. It's tied with the SMEG for the quietest operation, and although the Cuisinart Precision Master isn't that cheap, it's about half the amount of the KitchenAid Artisans. While testing, this mixer excelled at whipping egg whites and mixing cake mix. But as soon as we added flours to creamed eggs and sugar for cookie doughs, it slowed down. The manufacturer specifies that it should be only used to knead enough dough for 2 loaves of bread, and it produced nice, smooth, satiny balls. But overall, we would say that this mixer is best for most cake bakers. The stand mixer is available in white, red, black, silver, and 2 different shades of blue. Various accessories are available to expand its usefulness, including a pasta roller and cutter, pasta extruder, meat grinder, frozen dessert maker, and spiralizer. Best for professionals, Wolf Gourmet WGSM100S. The ease with which the Wolf Gourmet 7-quart stand mixer cuts through a batch of dough is beyond impressive. And when you look at the specs, one of the most powerful motors possible at a large capacity, it's hardly surprising. With a 7-quart mixing bowl and a gearing system that can maintain its constant speed, This Wolf Gourmet mixer is made for baking bread. The spacious bowl can fit enough batter for up to 14 dozen cookies, which means if you're prepping for the school bake sale, you won't have to work in multiple batches. The Wolf Gourmet's mixing bowl can handle 8 pounds of batter, and while that's a lot of cookies, it's also a lot of bread. The Wolf is extremely intuitive, and it's seamless to go from one step of the process to the next. For champion bread bakers looking to step up their dough game, this stand mixer is worth splurging for. Best value, Aucma. The final product in our video is the Aucma stand mixer. With a powerful 660-watt motor and a large 6.5-quart bowl. One of the special features of the mixer is that it has noise reduction technology, which makes it great for households or buildings with thin walls. A pulse setting and 6 different speed settings make incorporating ingredients into a mixture easy. The tilt head feature makes it easy for all of the ingredients to be evenly mixed and for the bowls and attachments to be easily removed. The lightweight body has its weights evenly distributed to prevent shaking and wobbling. Different color options allow you to pick a color that matches your kitchen's color scheme. This stand mixer has variable speed control and a powerful motor that mixes your dough quickly. It has a copper motor that performs very efficiently during the mixing process. Its mixing bowl has a 6.5-quart capacity that accommodates your kitchen needs when baking for a party. You can conveniently make bread doughs, waffles, pastries, or cookie dough with dual handles.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.